나도 인데 군주 네个送去家的你们他们也不来。
Today is the last day of teachings during this winter Dharma gathering.
现在年了嘛，就冬季，都太阳嘛就冬季。
So I will begin by reading from the Jewel Ornament of Liberation.
我吧，那边确实把事，那边确实点把那个写着，成就给什么没这边特别写了，成就那么多那个，对，叫我写到长短都七个这边那边用送写送说，那边看那些呢有送去这边多嘞，这样那边确实呢七个多，有送成什么确实呢，点了成就给什么给不了这个写看成对的的，写完了说送说，太大个团队呢，那么多全部都绿不的。 先给别人们把那绝不给不当，什么给别成就是把那适当次数接不没不绝不当，什么见了有句绝不哦，个别确实啊，这个都，有时候成就是什么确实来的呢，给我他们就是给嘛他成就是什么我都有的，成就一年不了偷给跑的，跑嘛都接不没有了，谁看现在先把那说送说，太大个团队呢，写信都少个钱，最没办法的，什么见他们就给我了个就天。 대한 티버침을 개와는 거 받아 샘개비 전주서 말로 땜바 상계기 두시 대연이 초주주 받아 샘전 탐지하라 유규만 바 합에 삼배 내버 차오 대라 나베체 당부티 뒤에서는 라마다 캠보다 라변다 진내라 소고 최 다라 루심기 주메된 거 권나 대다가 소리야 마소로 예로 마예로 감체로 총으로 우코로 마고로 튜스레 대바 녀베 말에는 자슴처럼 대인님을 가벼쳐당고 시시도 수석을 지어 주민마와다라 내버려 차오 나베쳐 니바데 시에나 시엔타게 계획내세버는 교백계도 쇼베 300 교백계 바데 콘 교백계로 마기로 튼수기는 것도 녀베 녀베 말렘나 자슴처럼 대인님으로 가벼쳐 니바 심자 탐지 개발라 그지 대한 티버침을 개발한 거 봐라 매버 차오 나버치 수버데 시에나 샘게베 가사지라 시에당의 뒤견저 봐 대한 타마기 견의 저기로 추기 견의 저기로 머리야로 고도야로 미기 체계로 마체계로 잠비 갸로 주비갸로 퇴갸로 마퇴갸로 가야로 마가야로 튀수기는 곳은 예별 말에나 자심처로 대년부로 가벼치 수바 샘게베 전전스마나 상계의 두시기 대연이 초주 저바 대란 배버차오 나베치 시보시대 시에나 시바데 시에나 심제 강으로 원래 유기 삼배 소소 지체바데 그 서로 마서로 콜로 뇌경 뇌로 튀주기는 무슨 예배 말입니다 자슬처럼 대인념으로 나베 깔베치 시바 심제는 합에 삼배 내버 차와시바 란된람 마치바 팬다버도 베삼바디 차오 담배주 이신기 너무 타바를 무지게 멤버 전주도 심게베 랍자 때문에 류디 주바오.
To explain the fifth point, abandoning the four black actions and nurturing the four white ones, which constitutes the means for not forgetting bodhicitta. The Lamp for the Path to Awakening says, to remember this in other lives as well, carefully observe the precepts thus explained. What are these precepts explained? The Kashyapa Chapter Sutra states the following with respect to the four dark actions. For instance, Kashyapa, a bodhisattva possessing these four things will forget his bodhicitta. What are these four? They are, and so forth. To summarize them, the four black actions are to deceive a guru or person worthy of receiving offerings, To summarize them, the four black actions are to deceive a guru or person worthy of receiving offerings. Second, to cause others to regret actions that should not be regretted. Third, to speak improperly to a bodhisattva who has generated the bodhicitta. And fourth, to engage with sentient beings through pretense and deceit. With respect to the four white actions as well, the same sutra says, Kashyapa, Should a bodhisattva possess these four, then in all future lives the bodhicitta will definitely manifest from birth onward. Without any interruption, that bodhisattva will never be forgotten until that bodhicitta will never be forgotten until enlightenment is attained. What are these four, and so forth? To summarize the four, they are: first, never knowingly to tell lies, even should it cost your life. Second, to establish all beings in virtue, and further, to establish them in Mahayana virtue. Third, to consider a bodhisattva, meaning one who has taken the bodhisattva vow, as being the teacher, the enlightened one, and to proclaim that person's qualities in every quarter. And fourth, to constantly abide within a noble disposition of mind, free of pretense and deceit toward any sentient being. I will now explain the first black action and its opposite, the white action. If, with an intention to deceive, you have actually been deceitful toward anyone worthy of offerings, meaning a guru, an abbot, a preceptor, or a person who is an object of your giving, the bodhisattva vow is broken, unless you do something to remedy the fault within a single watch of the day. It does not matter whether the person knew they were being deceived, whether or not the deception caused displeasure, whether it was a major or minor deception, or whether or not the deceit actually worked. Whatever the case, the vow is broken. The remedy to this is the first white action, which is, in all circumstances, to avoid the intentional telling of untruths, even should that put your life at risk. The second black action occurs in relation to the virtuous actions of others. It involves trying to make them feel remorseful by stirring up notions of regret. In this case of generosity, we could take the giver as an example. Although that person did a good deed, someone else may try to stir up regret by saying that in days to come, the loss of resources caused by the generosity will leave the giver hungry and a beggar, and then what will they do? If this black action is not remedied within a watch of the day, the bodhisattva vow is broken, whether or not the person actually does regret the deed. The remedy for this is the second white action, to establish all beings in virtue, in particular the Mahayana virtue. The third black action occurs through anger or hatred and involves talking about the faults of someone who has taken the bodhisattva vow. They may be ordinary faults or dharma failings addressed directly to that person or indirectly, and it could be done in a pleasant or unpleasant way. Whether or not the bodhisattva concerned is disturbed by what has been said, the bodhisattva vow is broken unless this is remedied within a watch of the day. The remedy is the third white action, to conceive of anyone who has taken the bodhisattva vow just as you would conceive of a Buddha, and to let their qualities be known everywhere. The fourth black action entails intentionally trying to deceive anyone at all. Unless remedied within a watch of the day, this will break the bodhisattva vow, whether or not the person is aware of the deception and whether or not any actual harm is done. The remedy is the fourth white action, to act always with the noblest of intentions towards beings. This means intending to benefit them without any self-interest. This then concludes the 10th chapter on how to develop aspirational bodhicitta of the ornament of precious for liberation, a wish-fulfilling jewel of sublime dharma.
세상 가장 시베다 첸딜라 천주세 미년베 규 달랍지 시지송바레 린주사나 라저 시부텔라 라바점시기 드그레베스 대점기 가르레 천주세베 당아 좀 몇몇 천주세 심게 라저 대점기 초고를 외스 라비입나 대점기 미쳐바레스 가르레스나 다지 소소타베 도마르 지위나 가르 체 타지에는 두차리어래 드리주산에 미지질이야 그랑 가르쳐다지 그랑 가르쳐다지 마시바도 수아 마도지기 데라하지 매일에 전주선배 돈바사디 안데니 전주와도 비바도 송고요래 단도나 데니 전주와도 쓰듯하네 데니 상마 예바도 송고요래 다 상계이고마 도야래야 다고 간다 지 가수에 뒤주망고 지고요래 진주산다 개와네 개와 처럼 쟤네 가다 전주 쌤들 마냥 붙이 고유에 인주산에 챈들라 마냥비 줄라라바 좀씩 미해마 개와 치마다 디치마 난도나 새롭시엔 다도 전주 쌤들 미제 붙이 고유에 인주산에 대 미집에 탑을 나가지다 대 미집에 줄라라바디 개좀 차려
Yesterday, I explained the 4 causes to prevent bodhicitta from declining or decreasing within this life. And so you might wonder whether training in these 4 precepts is enough. Is that enough to maintain our aspirational bodhicitta? The answer is it is not. The reason is because this is unlike the unlike the pratimoksha vows. The pratimoksha vows are cancelled at the time of death. They are vows that we take for one lifetime until the time of death, and we have to keep them from that, but they do not last any longer than that. But the bodhisattva vow is a vow from now until enlightenment. And until enlightenment means until Buddhahood. And achieving Buddhahood takes a long time. It takes many lifetimes. So from birth to birth, from lifetime to lifetime, we must never let our bodhicitta decline. And so it is not enough just to make sure that our bodhicitta does not decline in this life. We need to make sure that that our bodhicitta will not decline in our next life and in future lives, basically in all of our other lifetimes. And so we need to put efforts into the methods to prevent it from declining. We need to put efforts into the causes of maintaining bodhicitta.
Dene injusane usungi shubendone labja shizeni sungares shishi chedengi jigi deseni sungares 제가 이 대전이부디 아니 숨신 때문에 채고래스 다들 대전이부 가르사나 까나 취기 랍질 차디어래 까르부 취시 가르다 까르부 취시 나부 취시 이제 드린 주사네 다들 랍질 내가 채고하러 지입니다.
So the sutra requested by Kashyapa gives 2 sets of 4 precepts. And these 2 sets of 4 precepts are precepts that we need to keep and that we need to apply. And these are the 4 black and the 4 white actions. So there are 4 white actions and there are 4 black actions, and we need to keep these precepts and apply them.
다 가본나고 시에야들 버지 표기 단위를 집회배 노코란 나로래야 유승시비 노코란 나로래야 에너지 가르베 쉬시의 나고 쉬시사들 가보도 나고 단위 게 제요 말에 조도 다가다 나고스라고 하데 바 방체 인상 디차를 나고 임버체 가르보스라고 하주제는 수 랑체 인상 디주제를 되네 에는 가르보스라고 하지 간다 드네지
To call them the 4 white and the 4 black actions is actually a Tibetan term. In the sutra itself, it does not say the white actions or the black actions. These terms are not used. But when we say the black actions, what black action means is the actions that need to be given up. So these are black. White actions means those actions that we should do, so they're the white actions. And this is a term that seems to have been given to them in Tibet.
다들아야 다당부디 나고 취시리야 나고 취시 뽕하나 라바디 그래 다오나 나고 취시리 가르카레스 무진 체비미나.
And so the first set is the 4 set of black actions. These are actions that need to be given up. So what are these 4 black actions?
다들이야 아니 라마도 최버로 당부디 라마도 최버로 외바 루아사 니버디 셴 gö베네 마인 발라 gö베 게바 숨바디 심게베 저주 심바라 셰랑가 지수제바 마인 버쳐바스
The first of the four black actions is the first of these four black actions is to deceive a guru or someone worthy of respect. The second is to make someone regret something that does not deserve to be regretted. And the third is to speak improperly out of anger toward a bodhisattva who has roused bodhicitta.
시와디 심제는 유규죄바스.
And the fourth is to deceive and fool, to deceive or fool sentient beings.
다디나로 당부디 라마도 최바로 루아사디 다 당부디 디돌이안 지시 두두 샤이.
And so to explain the first of these, not deceiving a guru or those worthy of respect.
다들래요. 라마도 최바로 바사데 라마디 다 라마데 라마체. 랑 라마체. 엔 최바로 바스두사네. 엔지 가주에다 데레야 캠보다 로변다 지베네스 교바 지네라 소바 다간다 망부지 송샤 단도나 디나로르지 라마다 안다는 신기 지 최버려야 봐 구월에 다지 신 대다탐지 류비비나 대나부치지레스.
So here, the gurus, or those worthy of respect, the gurus mean your lama. The guru is a lama, this means your lama. Those worthy of respect mean, for example, kempos, masters, acharyas, and those who are recipients of your generosity. So when we say the gurus and those worthy of respect, or those who deserve honor, if we deceive the people who are in this field or in this group, then this is one of the four black actions.
telea lusungi tadi lusungi ta lusungi dola bredina una chanda lusungi liguru chali are de kunjo zibe dode kunjo zibe ta liu chali are trin justan lusungi liun nalo leya ene karsun var sanata lama de chavaro basa digi yume sun yu sana karsada nakwe cheshi nane chet shin tangbu digi yume sun yu sana yusum sun yu tangbu di loben che lama niba de lama che sumba de jine sa so yusum chi.
So in the sutra requested by Kashyapa, and actually this is not a whole sutra, it's not an entire sutra, it is actually a chapter that is found in the Ratnakuta Sutra. And so within this chapter of the requested by Kashyapa, it says that the first of these four black actions is deceiving the guru and those deserving respect. So here it mentions three different objects of this. The first would be your masters. The second would be your guru. And the third is recipients of generosity.
다 대기 유승의 리윈 제바 로벨로르 덴베 제샤마 다주 자게 토라 젠회 부사 섬레 다공 제샤바 디나로레야 안 로벤다 라마당 지네사드 드시칼 교연스나 가주다 로변 사디 가지고 차와다 딱하나 람된 생계를 지려 차와다 차와만 이마 람된 생계만 advisor 가지고 로변 사디마 람된 생계 ene didijilia baji kodegi yubichi lama saadi rani la ji pember debe chane lama saadi jine saadi lobyon ya mayinge lama ya mayinge ina ya yuende na demba tinjegi khasa tizulia ene jines didijilia kyo yubibre.
There is a commentary on this chapter that was written by the Indian master Lodra Temba. And in this it explains what we mean by the master, the guru, and the recipients of generosity. When we say the master or the acharya, what we mean is someone who advises us, an advisor who directs us about what should be done and what should not be done. So that is how we should understand the acharya, as that sort of advisor or teacher. And the second is the guru. And the guru is presented in terms of someone who benefits us. The third is the recipients of generosity. Recipients of generosity means other people who have good qualities who are not included in the first two categories.
sumbu kanung ji la ane rangi be xie xin gang zu ne ane ji go gor dang nian de ne sumar me xie lu de ne go dang nian de ne ane zu xie be yi na zu xie ne ta du je paru bo di da ga rui ko yi bi na da de na bu che tang bu yin su.
And so with any one of these three categories, if we knowingly and intentionally try to deceive or to fool that person by telling a lie, in the end, if the other person understands it, then it is one of the four black dharmas or four black actions.
다들의 니바디 신교변의 마인발 교바차도 주고 하사들. 교변의 마인바 소루산 가르스나 교변의 마인바디 집 교바차부터 부지레스. 텔라 교바차 주고티라 가르다지 교바차발은 교바차 주고. 자, 들으시 고고 알아.
The second of the four black actions is to make someone regret something that should not be regretted. And so something that should not be regretted, this means a virtuous action. So this action means making people regret virtuous actions that should not be regretted.
Dona 유개와 체발라 가지고 개와 체발은 교바다 미데메 가사지라 교바 메딩에 가사지라 아니 교바께 쭉 교바께 쭉 인삼에 꾸네랑데 아니 신 교베 내면 발은 교바체 가르쳐야 교바 제 쭉임이나 다데 나베 주님의 차대가 그래서
So if there's an individual who has done something virtuous, who does not regret that, if we then think, I will try to make this person regret what they have done, and think and try to make them regret it or feel remorseful, then this is the second black action.
다이나 겁들이야. 배나 가져와요. 고 신 교바께 주고 삼 교바께를 죽느냐 신 교바께 마소나 녀바 용거래 말했어 라비미나 다다 지 gyoba gerong ma gerong paru boden gyoba gerong ma gerong 다는 신기 고고 요 투로 마 투로 타투 간단 코란 gyoba 맞잖아 고 코네 마 코나 고몽로 마모로 간다라야 소수이기 따가다 삼조로 딘지 키체네 가서가 자와 딘지 셰비 유산에 삼바도 저와 딘지 셰비 유산 디 교전 되네 아니 저주 셈용 그래서
If, for example, we try to make someone regret something that they shouldn't regret, but if they do not regret it, then is it an offense? Well, whether they regret it or not, whether they feel regret or not, whether they're deceived or not, whether they're fooled, whether we confuse them or not, because we have that intention and action, if we engage with that intention and action, then that will then weaken or violate our bodhicitta.
다들 숨바디 셈게베 전주 선발라 샤랑그 츠수제바 마임바 제바사들
The third is to say inappropriate things to a bodhicitta who has generated bodhicitta.
다들이야 가르주래 다들 가르사나 다들 셈게비 전주 선바사데 위송기 리윈 잡아데 로베 루르데메 제샤와티 나로래야 안바지 티부침불 양다바쇼베 아니 셈제사 소치바제 드르송 소이샤베 소치레 드레인두산의 디균센데네 다티부침불 쇼밤 다도라지 셈게라 데베 가사 탐제리아 가르죠 고고야지 이스라엘
When we say a bodhisattva who has roused bodhicitta, in the commentary by Lodar Tempa on the chapter requested by Kashyapa, it says this means that someone who has truly entered the Mahayana, an individual who has truly entered the Mahayana. So what this means is someone who has entered the Mahayana path, or an individual or any individual who has developed bodhicitta.
단도나 디된다다 가르사나 유티버 첨불라 티버 첨불라 슈바 선나다도 간다 티버 첨벽이 지 셈게다 데베 가사 디들이야 셰당기 꾸네랑데 에너지 nga jorwa ve zumyu gone nga jorwa zumyu gone ene shenle ya ta kashwe ji nga ba mayin ba sanan ta do kadar ji geje dujaro ji zum geje duja mer ji mishin dale ji de poribolya mebe ci de ge gone enda kashwe 가서 츠스 제바스는 다도 다가다 나바모 임버 제비미나 다데 나부 츠스 바이스
The meaning of this is if there is an individual who has entered the Mahayana, an individual who has roused bodhicitta, then if motivated by hatred or by anger, we say verbally, we say harsh words. That is, we say words that are not of praise. We say, to put it colloquially, to say bad things. We criticize the person. If we speak badly of the person and say words that are not praiseful, then this is the third of the black actions.
다들 엔 타마디 심제를 유규제 바사디.
The last one is to deceive sentient beings.
다 심제를 유규제 바사데 가라사나 수수 되는데 닝구를 녀바도 굴들라 소발을 차네 다 된데게 거네 간다지 심제 셴래야 유규죄버제 요도 주사데 요사데 가르사나 랑게 녀바 종와세는라도 랑게 녀바 랑네 녀바 예베네데 녀바디 매 노도로 봐 급체 녀바 개버 진짜 요하세요다 유사데 가르사나 연대 매신도 연대 예받은 속다를 때야 될래야 유스요래 너는 유규죄버제 심제 셴래야 다 가르쳐 소소리가 교면노도 연대의 노도로 대체지 되고네 심제 셴랴 간다라 지 장보만이베 고네 아니 심제 셴 루탑차데 루에게 탑시샤데 나베추 시바레스
To deceive sentient beings means that out of attachment to gain and to honor, we try to deceive other sentient beings. There are two aspects to deceiving. In Tibetan, it's two different syllables. And the first of these, yo, means so the first way of deceiving is by trying to hide faults that our own faults and own wrongs. To pretend as if we didn't have any fault. It's like being hypocritical or hiding our own faults. The second aspect of it is in Tibetan represented by the word ju, which means to pretend that we have qualities, to pretend that we have qualities we do not actually have. And so with these two aspects of hiding our faults and pretending to have qualities we do not have, if we then try to deceive other sentient beings, so pretending we don't have faults and pretending that we do have qualities, if we then, out of dishonesty, try to deceive sentient beings, then this is the fourth black action.
단도나 나왜 최시오디 몽과디 김제 과토도를 쓰라비미나 수수 다 겨와 신도 전주기심 원도 교야래야 아니 나고 최시오디 제비는 원도 교야를 기치거든요. 근데 비균살라 때네 아니 겨와 신도 지 가수라다지 심게 맞제바 전주기심데 미제바지 영화 근데 체도 아니 다다 나고 최시 예 나 다다 나고 최시보다 봉와라 전국에서
So we must give up these four black actions. And the reason why we need to give up these four black actions is that in future lives we also have to manifest bodhicitta. But if we commit the four black actions, this will impede bodhicitta from arising in future lives. And so it is in order that we not forget bodhicitta in future lifetimes that we need to make efforts to give up the four black actions.
다디 나왜 쉬시디 나 공도 쉬시면 들으시에
We have discussed the four black actions.
다드네 까베 쉬시디 다 간다레 쉬비미나 다 까베 쉬시디 나무디 시신주 소거치야 주민모체 니버디 심제탐지 개와라 그것이 나버도야 티버침비 개와라 개바스 somebody semgebe chenju sembala 상계 뉴시 게네 대유인데 추주 조바스 다드네 시버디 심젠 함제라 유규메이 바 라베 삼베 고네 다 라베 삼베 고네 네바사 지시샤
These four white actions are to never knowingly tell lies, even should it cost your life, to establish all beings in virtue, and especially to establish them in the Mahayana virtue, And to consider any bodhisattva, that is, one who has taken the bodhisattva vow, as being the Buddha, the enlightened one, and to proclaim that person's qualities in every quarter. To constantly abide within a noble disposition of mind, and fourth, to constantly abide within a noble disposition of mind, free of pretense and deceit toward any sentient being.
다 들어야 당고대 시신 수학체 주민와 사들에 다들 가르스나 지게 거바 치중 관계체도 있네요. 배 가주에 시신도 수수에게 삼시 전신도 주시해요. 말스 다 거바 체와서도 저 수학체도 있네요. 다 거바 총아 배나 지 가주에 세계 점 이체도 있네요. 은 시신도 가서 주셔야 말았어. 시신도 그거면 주셔야 말았어.
So the first of these is not to tell a lie even at the cost of your life. So this means whatever the reason is, whatever your purpose is, it is to not knowingly or to not wittingly tell a lie. And the scale of the lie, the greatest lie, would be a lie that you lie in order to save your life. A smaller lie would be to lie for the sake of a laugh or a joke. So it is to not tell any. So this is to not tell lies.
아니 다들 다도나 도나도도디 유심제 강화로 원래야 그봐 개시 중 관계체도 있네야 아니 시신도 주마와 봉한데 나부처 가자 나 가르베처 당보 나부처 당보기 년보 자대요레스
So the main point here is that it is to not knowingly tell a lie for any reason to any particular sentient being. So this is the first white action, which is the antidote for the first black one.
다 니버디 심제담지 개화는 그 다바도 티버침비 개화는 그 사디 말에 다디 가르스나 지당기 다 뉴제르 지진 숨사지 온디 요래 드린 뉴스단에 지게 기부름 리타숨사란다도 리제숨사란다도 딱아래 내급 지 타베네도 뭐 요어돼서 에너지 덴드규란 거 되네 타베네도 교바다 탐제 에네 안 타베람는 거 탐제 개면네도 교바 탐제 안 탐제 개베람는 거 안 다나 신기 개와라 슈바 서머베 지 개와 중간에 솔레야베 싱드체 대다를 제수 이랑와체 드르샤고 그래서
So the second one is to bring sentient beings to virtue, especially the Mahayana virtue. So here there are three different types of sentient being. These are, you can also call them the three types of people. So there are those who are not, in the short term, who are not capable of enlightenment or of liberation, is to bring them to onto the path to the higher realms. Those who are capable of liberation should be brought on the path to liberation. And those who are capable of omniscience should be brought onto the path to omniscience. So this means that they're brought into virtue. So this means so that we get them to do virtue. It also means that we praise those who do virtue and rejoice in them.
드니 뉴스안에 티버 첨볼로 고고를 수하디 티버 첨뷰를 제인 티버 첨뷰고 lamla gewalan go res ya tiwa shimbu gi geba da medemba da thamje ya karsul hada mi tiwala go res so ne ndu sane tan dona karsul karsul da ji simje gewalan go ba da de cha di an karsul ni ba na shu ni be ki nyen bo yin ba.
Now, bringing them into the Mahayana virtue means that those beings who are of the Mahayana family should be brought to practice the Mahayana path. Those who have those who do not. So these are those who have the fortune for the Mahayana. But those who do not have the fortune of the Mahayana should be brought on the paths to the of the divine and the human. So, in brief, this means bringing sentient beings into virtue, and this is the antidote for the second of the black actions.
다들 숨바 디섬게 비치스 섬발라 덴베 두시게네 엔데 유데 추스 조고레소.
So the third is to think of any sentient being who has roused bodhicitta as a Buddha and to proclaim their qualities in 10 directions.
다들 유데 추추르 조고레 추시르 조고레사데 초줄란 로네 베 조고르 산데 초주로 로네 조고 말했어. 조어데 수수기 죄람넘시 간데 셰베 걸리네. 다 죄람넘시 세나다 다가다 수수기 니리기 소야 나로리아. 데 윤데 죄나 딘드거 마가베 초시 참게 초시는 로네 에네게 야고 말했어. 다가는 신기 야 윤데 줘야 될 네 다네. 조고르 마다야 윤데 딩상 지 윤대 조钱나 야 미카시 차도 사용도 람상 나 드린두스 안고 윤대 셰 고서 될라 셰는 저거 윤대 셰 먹었을 때 야 망부시 다 셰샤나 한국 디버서 위견치기 위 인상 다데 가르래人性 참바르지 되게 제과의 계십시다레스.
Now, proclaiming their qualities in the 10 or the 4 directions, this does not mean that we necessarily need to go traveling to all 10 directions and proclaim their qualities. The main thing is that no matter what it is that we are doing, and whatever our conduct is, that is, whatever we're doing within the context of our life, we need to proclaim their qualities. It doesn't mean that we need to travel off to each direction, each quarter of the world, and proclaim their qualities. Now, also, when we are proclaiming the qualities, we need to look and see if the person we're proclaiming them to is an appropriate person to receive them. The reason is that sometimes when you proclaim qualities, it is possible that some people might get envious. And so we need to examine them. And those who are able to hear it, then it's fine to proclaim the qualities. Those who are not able to hear it, then we do not, because it might become the condition that would prompt them to do a misdeed. So what this means is that we need to do this in moderation and appropriately.
단도는 전주 선발이야. 다들 마셔주다. 단도는 전주 선발이야. 삼바 수수기 굴롱게 덤베두시샤네. 대라 가수에 년바보로 외신 300. 하장배 위원대배 미신다 로를 마셔는데 뭐인바. 외신 300개. 아니 거법기 위원대나 아버지어디 가르쳐 숨바 나주 숨배기 년보이마라.
And so brief, this means that we have the intention or the motivation of thinking of a bodhisattva as being our teacher, the Buddha, and then proclaiming their qualities to those people who are appropriate listeners. This means that we don't need to tell them about qualities that they will not be able to get their minds around. It means that we talk about qualities that they are able to hear, that are appropriate for them to hear. So this is the antidote for the third of the black actions.
다들의 시버디 심지엔 탐지를 유유 모임배 관에 학배 선배 내가 채고 레손 다데 가르사나 학배 선배들이야 다다 위숭기 리윤데바 로벨로데 인자지 디나 학배 선배사데 삼바 장부 장사제 알부 진짜지야 지식교육서래 엔신 람 지겨 가져에 람저 데바先打个囊罗粮，那会上不是啥的，大约先接不这边，打的那个那会上吧，这里这里这些军务是来。
So the fourth is to, with a mind free of pretense and deceit, is to always have a pure attitude or a noble disposition. So the pure attitude in the commentary on the chapter requested by Kashyapa by Lodra Tempa, it says that this pure attitude or the pure intention means that we always have a straightforward and honest intention. This is how it is explained there. In other commentaries on the lamp for the path to enlightenment, it is explained that this means that we should have the attitude of always cherishing others more than ourselves.
단도나 심지에 강으로 원래야 저기 요즘에 봐. 학습 넘버가에 토네. 어, 지금 내가 될이야. 내가 돼. 가수 시와시. 나주 시외 년보이메래.
And so in brief, always remaining within this pure attitude or noble disposition to all sentient beings without any pretense or deceit is the fourth white action and the antidote for the fourth black one.
다디 바지 까나 최게데 바지 휴심에 소세 라버도 가비 최시디 냠솔랭과 그바 윤zen 컨트레스라비미나 딩냠솔랑 바기미나 개와 탐지도 개마타도 전주기 쓰면도 교와 다 전주기 쓰면 규리기야 그바 근데 요레스 드림이 윤zen 때네 네 가르르다 가르시보든 냠솔랭과 계셔을 했어.
So that finishes the explanation of the four white and black actions. And the reason in particular for describing, the reason and purpose for describing the four white actions is that if we practice them, then as soon as we are born in any lifetime, then bodhicitta will immediately become evident. We will immediately rouse bodhicitta. So this is the purpose of the four white actions.
다절이야 배수연도 시험입니다. 아주 저기 배수연 제품에나 가상의 배수량 뭐지 배수연 제품에 나올래야 손대백 배드주래. 다절이야 나고 최실이야 배여비면에 배송요래. 가르베 최실이야 미세기 다 배송요만에. 드링인주산다 나고 최실난다 배창월라고 하는데 배카시지. 쉬비네야 보면 sometimes.
Now, as I mentioned yesterday, there are many analogies that are given in the text, the vase of jewels. And there are analogies for the four black actions there. There are no analogies for the four white actions. But I thought I would explain some of the analogies for the black actions, though not all.
디나로래야 예 배시 가르다 나베쉐실 배시 송아래 디나는 배 타마디 ngapa marchong sa be shwa ta di shu na sometimes ngapa marchong ging base.
So the four black actions, there are analogies for each of them, but there is an analogy for the fourth of the action, which is the analogy of the mantric practitioner who sells meat.
우마지 ngapa ji ares 위리야 위스도 라사키 위 라세기 다 가로 위장기 위로와 위리아 나고서 알았어. 그 마라톤 거 알았어. 그 마라톤도 산에 그 야마 입지중 가르에 야마 입 지구 인생에 이나 치중이 있어요. 알았어.
Excuse me, I think there should be someone selling butter, not meat. There was in, the analogy is that in central Tibet, in the region of Lhasa, there was a tantric practitioner who sold butter. And he had two measures made, 2 measures of a kilo. Now they were the same shape, but they were in 2 different sizes.
다 꾸란 파트 입 지고체 이나 그 야마 치중에 되버 직든지 써요. 알았어. 딱그 충어디 야마 충어디 그 부동나나 배셔 알았어. 아니 야마 체데 엔 밀리미디아치 또 샤셔 알았어. 그래서 총체 제가 나가려야 총체에 거리야 엔 미신다다 지금 가르쳐다 공세 지기운도 사네. 아니 가르쳐야 다 공제 뒤에 걸이야. 아니 그다 야마 첨부를 차비나. 다게요 말 니지다 교랑기 야마 교랑기 가르쳐다지 야마 치중 교랑기 당과 치스. 엔디 가르쳐다 게요 말스다. 니제다 예 디스 뱅에 경쿠르조스 데글라고르스.
So he had these 2 measures that were the same shape, but they had different volumes. And so he hid the smaller one in his sleeve, and he would show the larger one to others. And so when he was doing business doing business with others, and when they were setting the prices, he'd show them, and he would talk. He would tell people, "Oh, it's no problem. You don't worry. You don't worry about this. You can take you can have however much you like. I can take a loss."
다 야마 치중 교랑은 너버치려서 코티스 베고인 다 빼야본도 웃삼 코딜이야 다 가수에 고인데베 버루들이야. 그 야마디 저 잡지. 야마 충은 수대 야마 충은디 그 부동난 수대네. 그 가수다. 뒤치가 알았어. 가자. 총치가 알았어. 다가는 신경 알아서 이면에 상부 칠을 때 냠바베 낭도 샤네. 아니 미신다 고고디가 알았어.
And so the other person would be a little bit distracted by this. They'd say, "Oh, that's great." Then they'd be distracted, and while they're distracted, then he'd take the other measure out from his sleeve and hide the bigger one, and he'd use the other one when doing the sale. And so it's like the same way with us. We always show our good side on the outside, and we hide our bad side inside.
드레인 주산에다 제르브체제 베나지 탄 총지 제베 걸리나 텔로 상로 제 텔로바 상로바스 산에다 가들 야말로바 근데 제네 탑게 주변의 권에 랑 개월 차디 전주스모 말했어. 드레인 주산에 디균센 때네 전주 삼바사디 엔다 간다 지카르에 경다 보고 랑게네 캐르게가 셴라데스 아르치체제 간다 셴 심제 탐제 랑을 자쳐지 즈모도 비비냐 셴 심제 탐제 랑다 냠바르지 되지 즈고레스 디균센을 때네 나 가르쳐다지 심제는 유규죄가 차디 에는 전주 선배께 죄받아 개월에 소인다.
So it's that way. We should, even when we're doing business, we should. It's like we shouldn't cheat on the measures. We shouldn't use the wrong measures or cheat on the measures. Because if we try to achieve, to gain the victory, gain the profit for ourselves, that is not the action of a bodhisattva. A bodhisattva, what we call a bodhisattva, should be as it is said, taking loss and defeat upon oneself and giving profit and victory to others. And so, even if we are unable to consider that other sentient beings are more important than ourselves, we should at the very least consider that other sentient beings are equal to ourselves. Because if we do not, then it violates the conduct, or it is contradictory of the conduct of a bodhisattva.
다들 배 수마디 쉬는 중면으로 아주 전주 선발이야 지 가수 세당의 거는 치주무 저바디 배들이야 배주기 나로래야 키들 수바스 되지 배주 수나래 키들 수바스 되잖아 깨져버서.
So I think it would also be good to explain the third of the analogies, and this is for the third black action, which is we must not say harsh words to bodhisattvas out of hatred, and the analogy is of barking like a dog.
다들 가르사나 킬로고시라 메jo든 땅 아주 딘 로발이야 키여봐. 아주 로발 유디즈야래. 킬로고시라 메jo든 비게 다샤라. 아주 로베 괴잘 키다샤래. 자다 bomben데 키다샤샤래. 킬로고시라 메jo든 저기 배 다른 분 미칼리 틸렌두사네. 안다베 시부수그레. 깨담. 다이네 운에 전에지 가서 골로요 맞다. 깨슈자다. 춤조chen. 곧 타녀르녀르 레온두사네 그 깨자용어레스. 다가나 신기 이 마란주 미신다도 저 랑다 냠바 쳐도 랑다 데지 다 가서야지 랑은 골로 주고도 선서로 전 다치 수번은 지한테 가서 배지 배 가서다 배 근중문 좀 발람니 되시거레스. 다디 킬로메요 다 간다 킹에 받으서 나진지레 스타디 간다 주 소설이야 다 딩수시라며 다 야부 중마소선 초진다 주 소설이시라 가서에 소수 이지시라며로 이지시라며체 안 딩수시라며도 산다 갱이 쉽답체 다 간다 주 가서에 제바 배 러규 예제데 발람 기수거는 시지 체대하려서.
So the analogy is of being like a barking dog. And so what this means is that when you in Tibet, when you have nomads, the nomads have dogs, and the really big and powerful dogs, they keep tied up, and they don't bark so much. They keep them tied up, and it's the smaller dogs that aren't as good dogs, that aren't as strong dogs. They let those free, and those dogs really bark all they can. So when they see someone from far off, those dogs will. I think I'm missing it. Maybe not.
I don't know.
When those dogs,
bad dogs.
When the bad dogs see people from far off, then the bad dogs will bark quite a bit and make a lot of noise. But when the person actually comes by, it looks like they're going to jump all over them, but they won't actually do anything. Where it's really the good dogs that are kept, that are really good kept, that are kept tied up and don't bark so much. And so it's the same for us with others. It's like when we see others and see others' qualities, we're like those barking dogs. We make all the noise we can. We say all sorts of different things. So we're like those bad dogs. I think that this is a sign that we lack confidence in ourselves. We don't have confidence in ourselves, and so when we feel this, then we're willing to say anything about all sorts of other bad things about other people, and it's a sign of not having confidence in ourselves.
나야. 다 간다 느리시래샤. 안다리 가래디 타겐기 류 주바도 사브레. 로제말이야 류 주지바네 마무드니 샤르도 시마다. 로제마. And
so now we have finished the 10th chapter of the Jewel Ornament of Liberation. And so we will continue with the 11th chapter from next winter.
안 바지 로 제마디 니돈 좁게긴 다와 탕벽이 체 다리 군에 아니 수습시스 봐도 저거만 로서 말다 다대 체시체비입니다. 주메 다 아래 이제 대지메 구주 팅아바티.
And so next winter, will be 2018, we will, according to the current plans, we will hold the 5th Arya Chema Winter Dharma Gathering from the 9th to the 24th of January 2018.
다들 뉴스한 다리 가르쳐오르다 안다드 마시 로 제말레 차야깔라 하보레 로 디 제말 직제나 차베 레와요아레
It will be difficult for us to finish the text next winter, and so it'll probably be the next year when we finish, or there's hope that we might finish the next year.
다 간다야 안다리 지 순수샤디 안 마시네 강주 마시네 다디 그 유군주에 나무 그 유군주시 인디제 그 유모람체 도시 집산에 인디 링리아 다변은 다와 지 니지 링리아 안다 다 레가를 망보시 최고야 처여위 인두산에 안 주메 구주 그 리두산 안 베지 갈라간선으로 집에 수부 에 탕으로 체 안데 제 인두산에 아니 다시 순주에 뒤에네 약보지 사만은 신지 슈도야 돼 갈라가버 쳐도 다 예면에 지다 가주에 가주도도로 좀 아쉬우래 인두산에 안디게 지 남가르 지 개외 차선을 장도 야나지 상배차 로 예비미나 안디다 담지기 경 성로려야지 도변수야 선을 장도 아니지 펜토용하기 저슈유
Actually, with these teachings, we first have the Kaju Gunshe, then we have the Kaju Munlam. And so over the course of about over the course of about 1 or 2 months, we have, there's a lot of work that I have to do. And so by the time we get to the nuns' winter Dharma gathering, I'm actually often physically quite tired and exhausted. And because of this, I'm not able to teach as well as I would like, although I do the best I can to teach what I can. But in any case, I hope that the bright and pure white aspects of this will all be able to bring you benefit and help.